Tech is all around us, and with the new advancements, keeping up with the latest happenings can be a challenge.
But hey, technology was made to make life easier, wasn't it? That's the first question they're going to ask. Also, could you please tell them, who is this Tech Dost?
Yes, and at Reliance Digital, we understand this. That's why we bring you Tech Dost, the expert you need to help you enhance your friendship with technology. After all, friends make life better, don't they?
We shall be guiding you through the ever-updating world of consumer electronics. From the best of new releases to simple yet essential electronic tips and tricks. A smartphone photography guide, comparisons in the form of tech showdowns, and a lot more from the current era of technology. We shall be your torchbearers in this vast universe of consumer electronics and technology.
So if you are still confused about technology of any kind, simply approach any Tech Dost in the nearest Reliance Digital store or
on our social media channels. And we shall be glad to live up to our promise of easing up your journey for technology. Stay tuned and get ready to be friends with technology.